Hello students, in this video we will learn about important topic agriculture in India. In this video we will discuss about agriculture and its importance, food crops of India and livestock rearing and fishing. Indian agriculture. India is primarily an agricultural country. About 70% of India's population depends on agriculture. It is also important as it produces food for people and animals. Many industries like the canned food industry, textile industry, and leather industry depend on agriculture for raw materials. Dairy farming and rearing of livestock provided milk, food and fibers like wool and silk. Agriculture include farming, horticulture, livestock rearing, fishing and forestry. Farmers in India grow many crops. These crops can be divided in two groups: food crops and cash crops. Rice, wheat, millets, pulses comes under food crops, and cash crop include jute, oilseeds, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, rubber and spices. Let's start with rice. Rice is one of the staple food crops of India. Rice requires a hot and wet climate to grow. Also known as paddy, rice is sown during the monsoon season. West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are the rice producing states of India. Wheat is another important food crop of India. It grows in a cool and moist climate. This winter crop is the staple food of the people of northern India. Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh are the major wheat producing states. Millets were the first crops to be cultivated by early settlers. They include all coarse food grains such as jowar, bajra and ragi. Millets grow in a hot and a dry climate. The millet producing states in India are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Bihar, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses including lentils like moong, masoor, arhar and gram are widely grown in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. Next, we will talk about cash crops. Jute is a major cash crop grown in India. It grows well in a hot and wet climate. Assam, Odisha, West Bengal and Bihar are the major jute producing states of India. Jute fiber is used in industries as raw material for making bags, carpets and robes. West Bengal is the largest producer of jute. Oilseeds consist of seeds like sesame, mustard, groundnut, linseed, and sunflower. They grow well in a warm and moist climate. The vegetable oil extracted from these seeds is used for cooking. Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra are the major oilseed producing states. Sugarcane, an important cash crop, is used all over the world for making sugar and jaggery. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Sugarcane requires a hot and humid climate to grow. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. It is also grown in Maharashtra, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, and Tamil Nadu. Cotton is used widely in India in the textile industry to make cloth. This fiber crop grows well in black soil. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab are the major producers of cotton. Tea, a popular beverage, was introduced in India by the British. India is one of the largest producers of tea in the world. Tea requires a hot and wet climate. It grows well in mountain soil. Tea gardens are known as plantations. Assam has a large area of land under tea plantations. Tea is also grown in parts of West Bengal and the Nilgiri Hills in the south. Coffee is another beverage crop that grows well in a cool and wet climate. Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu have large coffee plantations. Rubber is an important cash crop which grows well in a wet and hot climate. Rubber plantations are found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. Latex is collected from the rubber tree and sent to factories to make rubber products like tires and tubes. Spices are a major cash crop for many states of India. These include pepper, cinnamon, clove, ginger, cardamom, chilies, and turmeric. Each spice requires different climatic conditions, but generally a warm and humid climate is required to grow most spices. Spices are grown in the states lying in the Western Ghats, namely Kerala and Karnataka. Chilies are grown in Rajasthan, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. India is known all over the world for its spices, especially cardamom. Coming to livestock rearing. The farmers generally rear cattle and other animals such as sheep, goat, camels, hens, and ducks along with farming. This is known as livestock rearing or cattle farming. Animals that people keep in their house or on farms are called livestock. In 2019, The total livestock population was 535.78 million, out of which cattle was the largest animal group in the country, followed by goats, buffaloes, sheep and pigs. Animals such as cows and buffaloes give milk, which is used to make items such as paneer, cheese, butter and ghee. Birds such as hens and ducks give us eggs and meat, which is a rich source of protein. In the desert, people use camels for transport. In the forest, elephants used to carry heavy loads. And in the hilly areas, mules and yaks are used as means of transport. Now the last topic is fishing. Fish is another rich source of protein. It is the main occupation of people living in coastal areas. The government has started a program called the Silver Revolution to increase the production of fish. West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Kerala supply fish to the entire country. Thank you for watching the video.